So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the table style of a table here in your Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what you have to do is obviously add a table to your presentation. So go to the top here and press on table. And for this example, I'll just press this blue table right here. Now, if you want to change the table style, so once you already have it, you want to change the table style, it's super simple. Press on the table right here, go to where it says table styles right here, and you can just simply browse through whatever ones you're looking for. You can also add one if you want as well. But if you want to change this, for example, to this one, you can do that. You can change it to orange. You can change it to, magenta, whatever the case may be. You can go ahead and do that. You can also change the alternating row color. You can kind of change the grid lines, whatever you guys want to do in regards to changing the table styles. It's going to be right here. You can also, of course, add a new table style if you want to create your own. So, for example, if you want to maybe make this alternating just like that, you can go ahead and do that. You can change, whatever you guys want to change. You can change the cell colors right here. We can change this to a gradient just like that. We can go ahead and change this one, gradient just like that. And if you want to change this and sort of save it, you can go ahead and do that, and it's going to be saved just like that. So super simple, super straightforward. But that is how to edit the table style here on Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.